Yeah, water.
I probably need some kind of sleep, maybe a nap, maybe lay on the couch and watch a show. Oh, look at that puppy, guys.
Wow, Patrick's.
Oh. Did you guys, what'd you guys learn in church? Did they ask you what your Bibles are? So you better find it, because it's in your room somewhere. It might be in that drawer. Where'd you put all those books? Remember you guys had books in the drawers before? Where the TV is? Under there? Maybe, I don't know, but you gotta find it. Could be under your bed.
Want to see how much that house is, or we already passed it on?
Where'd it go? Oh no, it's over here. I don't think it just had a number on it.
Oh.
The house, oh, you want to drive by it again?
Nah, it's too much.
Sure.
I already know, it's brand new.
Oh yeah.
They're gonna rent it out to rich people.
Yeah.
Or a rich old person.
Yeah, or fucking like a Mexican family with like 50 people.
Yeah. Where they can make the basement into like 6 rooms. Dang. That's down the Columbia Valley towards Wenatchee. Right down there. See the river? Yeah. This way, we're gonna go up this way. Terrible. Terrible. Donald Trump. I mean, because he cut funding, right? So less firefighters, less airplane use, because jet fuel is expensive.
That's crazy.
Less helicopter usage. Now they just let the stuff burn out.
But I mean, is it because it's just easier that way, or I mean, isn't that so bad for people's health? Or I mean,
In a way, it's easier because it's cheaper.
oh, the house for rent's right here.
Ooh, yeah, that's gonna be
Right next to this. Oh yeah.
shit.
Plus, look at the view you get. Shit, I'd be sitting in front of that window all day, every day, drinking my coffee, just staring at the water.
All right. Ardenvor, 10 miles. Brief, 22. Road ends, 38 miles. 38 is right here, look. Cottonwood, 38 miles.
Everything's closed. Oh, Fox Creek is open.
They might have not changed that sign yet. Smokey. Smokey the Bear. It says it's very high, the warning for fire hazard. I would say it's more than high, very high. I would say immediate. I'd have to say imminent. Imminent means your shit could burn right now. Yeah. Well, up there they do. They have the sawhorses and signs.
Yeah. Do you have fun, Angel? Did you guys didn't do any kind of crafts today?
Yeah, we did.
What would you guys do? Just talk?
We learned about each other.
Oh, you learned about each other?
Yeah, I mean, if there's no rain for like 2, 3 months, of course plants are gonna turn yellow, like dead. It happens everywhere.
Yeah.
I know where this person lives. Well, maybe if you live in Seattle, where it rains 6 out of 7 days of every week, maybe there won't be no dry grass. I mean, it's like prairie grass. It's like wheat.
Now, why do they get so much rain? Because they're on the coast?
Right next to the ocean. Yeah, they're special because of the way the land is.
Look at the bald eagle. I don't know if it's a bald eagle. I think it is. Okay, so everywhere that has is by the ocean, right?
Usually, yeah. Some places like LA, they're kind of dry. They have a giant river that they made that goes through LA, but it's like a drainage. It's dry now. There might be a small stream going in it, but it used to be full back in the 80s
Oh, wow.
when they built it. But not no more because things dry up. I'm ready to see some smoke.
Oh, there's Nancy.
Nancy.
Oh, she probably took Lala lunch.
I'm not trying to look at her.
Oh.
Hey, I'm doing reporting here. I was saying I want to see some smoke.
Wow.
Or maybe not.
I don't know, because I see some kind of blue skies trying to come.
Yeah, there is blue sky.
You know what I mean? We haven't seen that for days.
Nope, not for like 3 days solid. Maybe more.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to get that sign. Damn it. Thank you, firefighters. And that's all about we got. That's about all we got. Alright, everybody. So after this video, I'm gonna tune you guys back into our regularly scheduled program. Thank you very much.